There are three main tenses. 1. Present tense. It shows us the event what is happening now or regularly happens. 2. Past tense shows the event what already happened. 3. Future tense. It shows us the event what will happen. Each of these main tenses is further divided into 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So, in total, there are 12 tenses in English grammar. They help us express actions clearly and accurately in different time situations. Learning tenses is very important because it improves your speaking, writing, and understanding of English. In other words, they show the time of an action or event, whether it happens in the present, past, or future. Without tenses, it would be difficult to understand when something is happening. Okay, let's dive into it. The first one, simple present, to talk about habit, fact, or routine. Let us see the formula. Subject plus V. For example, I study English every day. I study English every day. All right, number 2, present continuous, to talk about the action happening now. Formula or form. Subject plus am is are plus ving. I'm studying English now. I'm studying English now. Number 3, present perfect dot, to talk about the action completed with a connection to the present dot formula. Subject plus has, have plus v. I have studied English for 3 years. Okay, number 4, present perfect continuous, to talk about action continuing up to now. Formula: subject plus has, have been plus ving. I have been studying English for 3 hours. 5, simple past, finished action in the past. Formula: subject plus v. I studied English yesterday. I studied English yesterday. Number 6, past continuous, action in progress at a certain time in the past. Formula: subject plus was, were, plus ving. I was studying when you called. I was studying when you called. Number 7, past perfect, action completed before another past action. Formula: subject plus had been plus ving. I had studied before the exam started. I had studied before the exam started. 8, past perfect continuous, action that had been continuing before another past event. Formula: subject plus had been plus ving. I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. 9, simple future, action that will happen. Formula: subject plus will plus v. I will study English tomorrow. I will study English tomorrow. 10, future continuous, action that will be in progress at a future time. Formula: subject plus will be plus ving. I will be studying at 8 p.m. I will be studying at 8 p.m. Okay, number 11, future perfect, action that will be completed before a future time. Formula: subject plus will have plus v. I will have studied all the lessons by Friday. I will have studied all the lessons by Friday. Okay, the last one is future perfect continuous, action that will have been continuing up to a future point. Formula: subject plus will have been plus ving. By next month, I will have been studying English for a year. Let's see this a quick recap. When we say present tenses gives, we talk about now, habits, and actions connected to the present. When we say past tenses, gives to talk ABIT actions that happened before now. And when we say future tenses, gives the actions that will happen later. These examples show us the clear difference between the tenses with one verb. Examples: with the verb eat, I am eating. I have eaten. I have been eating. I ate. I was eating. I had eaten. I had been eating. I will eat. I will be eating. I will have eaten. I will have been eating. That is so easy, guys. It's all about focusing on what has changed. Well, interesting, everyone? Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember that mastering tenses will improve your English every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, and goodbye.